Let me go straight to Palakkad, where Cabinet Minister of Kerala Government, MB Rajesh, is joining us now. MB Rajesh, appreciate your time here on NDTV. These allegations, of course, has led to some resignations from director Ranjit to actor Siddique. All of them have resigned from their positions in Association of Malayalam Movie Artists. But does it really stop here?
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Does it stop at their resignations from the posts that they were holding within the associations, or will there be criminal investigation?
Of course, there will be criminal investigation. The government has already formed. Yesterday, the government has formed a special investigating team, including 4 IPS, lady IPS officers. And since this special investigation team was formed yesterday, today we saw a series of revelations. Many artists, women artists, came out explaining their experience, their bitter experiences. So this shows that people have faith in government and government's intention to have a criminal investigation, serious investigation into the entire episodes.
MB Rajesh, I had one of the women, one of the actors who had actually deposed before the panel, and she said that the report was published hurriedly and went on to say that there has been a serious breach of privacy because they were not told that their names would be revealed.
See, government had no role in deciding whether to release or not to release the report. The report was released as per the direction of Chief Information Officer and as per the direction of the Honorable High Court of Kerala. The chairperson of this committee, Hema Committee, Justice Hema, had returned to the government way back in 2020 that the report should not be released as such, and the names which is included in the report, that is based on the confidentiality. The depositions are based on the confidentiality. So they had confidence in the committee, and they had the trust in the committee that their names will not be disclosed, those people who deposed before the committee. So on the basis of that letter, the government could not have released that report. And finally, the report was released by the Chief Information Officer, excluding the names, which in order to ensure privacy of the people deposed before the committee.
Okay, and sir, I want to understand from you, because we have on this broadcast interviewed a number of women who are survivors of what has been atrocities against women, sexual assault and others playing out, and almost it's being seen as an unwritten code, and it's very, very disturbing, certainly. But what made the government sit over this report? Although it was submitted to you in 2019, it has taken you 5 years to release the details in public domain and begin the action against the most powerful in the Malayalam film industry.
See, I have already said that the government could not have decided whether to release or not to release this report, because the chairperson of the committee had written to the government. She is a retired High Court judge, and she had written, citing various Supreme Court judgments and Supreme Court's observations regarding privacy, that the report should not be published. Said further, it was the decision of the Chief Information Officer in 2020 that the report should not be published. So the government had no role at all. Number two, the government has taken many initiatives to ensure that the important recommendations of the committee is being implemented. And see, the government had never shied away from taking stern action against powerful people in the Malayalam film industry. I hope that you remember that one of the superstars of Malayalam film industry was arrested on charges of conspiracy conspiracy and his involvement in sexual harassment of one lady actress, and stern action was taken. He was jailed. He is facing trial now. So this shows that the government never had any apprehension in moving against or initiating process as per law against the powerful people in the Malayalam film industry. And you must remember that this is for the first time that a government had appointed a committee in the country. In India, no other state governments has dared to appoint a committee to look into the affairs of film industry. Now, various allegations that came up in the film industry. It was only the left-led government in the Kerala which appointed a committee, and only because of this committee that all these revelations are coming out now.